Hello everyone and welcome back. And today we're going to be doing a thorough review on our Bestway Air Mattress. So stay tuned and watch the whole video through.
Hello everyone, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing of our Bestway Comfort Quest Flock Double Air Mattress. We've been wanting to do this video for a very long time, and I think it's just perfect time to do it now since it's winter time. We're planning on doing a little bit of camping outside, and we just want to use this mattress for it. So when you're unboxing this air mattress for the first time, I recommend that you don't use any sharp knife to open it. Just use your bare hands and open the box. So we're going to take a little inventory to see what comes inside of this air mattress box. And the first thing that we have our bag to store the mattress in. The bag look pretty sturdy, and we're just going to place that to the side over there. Next thing we're going to take a look at is the actual air mattress itself. It's actually very lightweight. So if you can't pick up heavy things, it's very good for you. We also have the electric fan for it. This is currently a 220 plug that I have, and if you're, because I'm in Germany right now, but if you're in the States, that plug would be a 110. So it comes with three items. It comes with the bag, the mattress, and the air pump. And let's see what we do next with it. So before we inflate this air mattress, we want to just make sure that we have everything. With the air mattress, we have the bag, and we also have the most important thing is the instructions to this air mattress. So we make sure we want to inflate it the right way. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and open up the air mattress nice and slowly. As you can see, it's kind of wrinkled a bit, but all of that is going to change. Stretching it out on the floor. Make sure you have a flat surface when you unwrapping this. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. As you can see, it has some nice nylon on it. The material is looking fresh. There's no holes in it. I'm inspecting everything on there. Before I show you how to inflate and deflate this air mattress, I think it's very important that we take a careful look at the instructions to make sure that we are setting up this air mattress the right way. We want to make sure that we prevent injuries and damage to the air mattress. So let's take a look at the instructions. The first thing that we have is a caution sign, warning sign that tells us to avoid the risk of electric shock. Do not expose to water or rain. That means when you're filling up your air mattress with air, make sure you use the air pump in the inside. So under the warning signs, it says unplug or disconnect the appliance from the power supply before servicing. If the supply cord is damaged, it must be replaced by the manufacturer, its service agent, similarly qualified person in order to avoid hazard. Motor runtime should not exceed 20 minutes. Operator should allow motor to cool down for 10 minutes between usage. Inflation and deflation ports should be kept free of debris during use. But I also recommend that you read through your instructions completely. This was just an overview of it. So now let's get right into how to set this air mattress up. This specific air pump comes with two output sections. We have a inflate and a deflate section. The front part is for the inflation, and the side part right there is for the deflation of the air mattress. It also comes with a few different sizes of nozzles to fit right into the plug. And once you attach the nozzle to the inflation part, you can go ahead and put it inside of the air mattress. The noise is kind of loud, so make sure you don't have no baby around you or any animals. They'll probably get scared. So you go ahead and turn the on button, and then it's going to go ahead and start filling your air mattress with air. This process takes about, I want to say, 2 to 5 minutes, but we fast forward this part. So when you want to go ahead and deflate your air mattress, you're going to go ahead and place that nozzle on a deflection port on the back side of it. You're going to open up the air mattress. You're going to go ahead and stick that part in there. And just to let you know that there's another plug within that. You can just pull the whole plug out and the air mattress will deflate on its own. I hope that this review was very helpful to you, and if you do decide to purchase this air mattress, I truly hope that you enjoy this product. See you in the next video.